Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add sticky call button using plugin in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP call button, easy click to call button. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see setting and then you see WP call button. So click on it. Now setting open and then you see sticky call button. Your call button won't show up until you enter a phone number. Now you see call now button status active and then phone number. So you can select country. Now you see drop down and you can add number. Now you see we added number and then you see call button text. So now we are going to add text. So you can add text according to your requirement and then you see call button position, full width, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Now select bottom right and then you see call button color. So you can add color scheme according to your requirement and then you see call button visibility, show everywhere default, show only on certain post page, hide on certain post page. Now we select show everyone default and then you see show call button only on mobile devices. If you want you can enable this option or disable. Now click on save changes. Now you see option saved successfully. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see call button, click on it. Now you see open pickup an app. Now you see button text not show. Back to setting, scroll down, enter a button text work only if we select full width. Now select full width and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Go to website page and refresh the page again. Now you see now activate mobile layout, right click. Now you see activate the mobile view on this page, so click on it. Now you see button also show on mobile layout, so you can set font size by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.